Hello family, what's up? Wagwan, the gates. I hope everybody is doing okay. Ich hoffe euch geht gut. Family, today I'm making a subscriber's request. I'm so happy to fulfill this request. If you're new on my channel, I want to give you a warm welcome. I'm happy to have you to be a part of the Nyamins family. We're gonna go ahead now and make that famous Jamaican oxtail. Let's do it. Okay guys, here I have my oxtail which is already washed and cleaned. I've removed the excess fat. I'm gonna go ahead and add my powdered seasoning, yes, to the oxtail, and then I'm gonna add my ground seasonings. I have some chopped garlic and pimento here. And next I have some onions and a piece of thyme, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my spring onions, or you can say scallions, some bell peppers or sweet peppers some people call it. I'm gonna mix everything together well, but first I must add my browning. It is necessary for you to have browning. If you're in Germany, use Zucker Cola. It is listed on the screen. And after we add our browning, we're gonna combine well. Okay, we mix it together well, and guys, let it rest for a few hours, or overnight is even better. So after about an hour, I didn't have time, so I only use an hour. Here I'm gonna go ahead and cook my oxtail, but guys, I'm removing the oxtail from the ground seasonings. We're gonna brown our oxtail, but first I'm adding a piece of garlic here. If you know anything about garlic, garlic is a tenderizer, and for meat like oxtail, it takes very long to cook. So the garlic will help to tenderize your oxtail. Remember not to add too much oil. Just what you're seeing here is enough because oxtail is already fatty. We're gonna brown our oxtail for about 20 minutes. No water must be added at this point. You need to get that brown color. I'm adding here a piece of ginger for flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and cover our pot, and in the next 20 minutes we check. Yes, don't go too far. You need to keep an eye on your oxtail. So after about 20 minutes, we're checking on our oxtail, and this is what our oxtail looks like. The color is coming all together. I have some hot water here at hand in my kettle. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it on the oxtail, not too much, and we're gonna let it stay for another 20 minutes and get brown. So after another 20 minutes, this is the second 20 minutes, guys, our oxtail is coming all together. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more hot water. Hot water speeds the process of the cooking. Okay, so yes, and now we're gonna let our oxtail stay for 30 minutes and then we check on it again. So after 30 minutes, this is what our oxtail looks like. Just beautiful, guys. The smell in the kitchen is so awesome. I wish you was here to smell it. My. Wow, just lovely. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more hot water. Guys, when you're cooking oxtail, you have to have patience, but it is worth it. So we're gonna let our oxtail simmer for another 30 minutes and then we check on it. Guys, please like, share and comment on the video. Remember to click your notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So after about 30 minutes, this is what our oxtail looks like. Lovely. I'm removing my ginger here. You don't want to bite on that ginger, guys. Have you ever bitten on ginger before? Guys, it happened to me so often. I've tested here for taste, and I've realized that our oxtail needs some more seasoning. So I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning here. Yes, add to your taste. And now I'm adding my ground seasoning. Yes, I'm gonna pour some water now in the bowl and then add it to our oxtail and mix together. Now we're gonna let our oxtail simmer for another 20 minutes. Guys, you realize I haven't added so much water. Water will spring from our ground seasoning, from our bell peppers and our onions. So cover and let it simmer for 20 minutes. So after about 20 minutes, this is what our oxtail looks like. It's looking so delicious and so soft. We're gonna go ahead and add some more hot water. This is the last adding of water. So we're gonna go ahead and add our beans or butter beans. Remove the water from your beans before added. You can use broad beans as well. The beans will give the gravy that thickness that you're looking for. I'm gonna add some more water here. Yes, and after I add the water, I'm gonna go ahead and add some ketchup. But this is really optional, guys. Normally oxtail should take about 2 hours, but sometimes it can take longer. I'm gonna write in the description below, if you're using a pressure cooker, how you go about it, okay? Because sometimes we really don't have time. So we're gonna let our oxtail simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, our oxtail is ready. So soft, smelling so nice. Wow. Guys, please to try this recipe. Here I've plated some oxtail with rice and peas and raw veg. Enjoy!